So today I'm back with a new supervised machine learning algorithm which is naive Bayes classifier, and let's see how it works.
Notebook. So let's see first what is the Bayes theorem. So you can just look into the definition and how it is calculated. So going forward, we have like a naive Bayes classifier, and here you will find that why we use the naive Bayes, because to attempt to calculate the values of each attribute value, and they are assumed to be conditionally independent given that targeted value and calculated as this way. So it makes the things simpler. So we can do the Gaussian naive Bayes. It is nothing but the normal distribution. You may look for the terms like normal distribution, Gaussian, and you can get a better idea about it. I'm using this scikit-learn library of Python. We will get to know the reason why we are using it while implementing the Gaussian naive Bayes. So here I just applied it for the random variables, and this is how it works and calculates the posterior probabilities of first and second label. So let's do it with the real data, which is the wine data. I took the data, I did some data cleaning activity, and after that I applied my Gaussian naive Bayes algorithm on it, and I found that accuracy of the model is 96.25. The same I implemented for the Kaggle competition. I just took the code available on the Kaggle competition kernel just to showcase you how it works in the predictions, and how it calculates the performance and the standard deviation and the mean. Here we are not doing any kind of predictions right now. Once we go ahead and explore all the algorithms, we proceed further with those kind of things. So this is the main reason why we are using the scikit-learn library of Python, because it directly inbuilt applies the Laplace smoothing by default, and we don't have to worry about zero frequency. So yeah, this is it.
Thank you for watching, and do follow me on GitHub and Twitter. Also subscribe for my YouTube channel. Again, I will come up with more machine learning algorithms. Here we are just exploring those, so just don't think that we are doing the machine learning. We are just exploring the algorithms. So yeah, until that time, happy sharing and learning, and stay tuned. Bye for now.